Should you incorporate bay leaf tea into your daily routine? What are the health benefits of this ancient plant, and what potential risks should you be aware of? Is it true that bay leaf possesses medicinal properties such as aiding digestion, fighting inflammation, and relieving pain, or is it merely a myth? In this video, we delve into the wonders of bay leaf, exploring the improvements you may notice in your body with regular use, as well as who should avoid it. Bay leaf, also known as laurel, has its origins in the Mediterranean region, revered in ancient Greece for its symbolism of protection and association with Apollo, the god of healing. Throughout history, bay leaf has been utilized in religious ceremonies, cooking, and medicinally, believed by the ancients to possess stimulating and invigorating properties. But what does modern science say about bay leaf? Here are 7 reasons why incorporating bay leaf into your diet might be beneficial. Number 1. Boosting the immune system. Laurel enhances immunity by supplying vital nutrients like vitamins C, A, iron, zinc, and potassium. Its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties bolster immune defenses, while polyphenols combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals. Studies suggest laurel acts as a prebiotic, fostering beneficial gut bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, further supporting immunity. Consider incorporating laurel into your diet judiciously to reap these immune-boosting benefits and fortify your body against infections, colds, and flu. Number 2. Improving digestion. Bay leaf aids digestion by containing eugenol, a compound with carminative and anti-inflammatory effects, alleviating gas and bloating. Eugenol also stimulates digestive enzyme production, enhancing digestion efficiency. Additionally, bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties soothe digestive discomfort and irritation. If you struggle with poor digestion or bloating, incorporating bay leaf into your diet can promote gastrointestinal wellness and alleviate digestive issues effectively. Number 3. Alleviating pain. Bay leaf offers relief from joint and lower back pain, reducing the need for excessive painkillers and anti-inflammatories. Abundant in eugenol, it fights cell-damaging free radicals, thwarting premature aging and disease. Eugenol's anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties alleviate pain and discomfort. Moreover, bay leaf may regulate the immune system, balancing inflammatory responses to prevent chronic inflammation. Incorporating bay leaf into your regimen can provide holistic relief from pain, inflammation, and immune dysregulation, promoting overall well-being effectively. Number 4. Calming effects. Bay leaf offers a calming effect, containing linalool, renowned for its relaxation-inducing properties, easing stress and anxiety. Moreover, the aroma of bay leaf possesses therapeutic qualities, fostering mental and emotional well-being. Utilize bay leaf in aromatherapy to promote relaxation, whether through essential oil diffusion, compresses, or direct inhalation. Even a small cup of bay leaf tea serves as a self-care ritual, providing a moment of tranquility amidst daily chaos. Incorporating bay leaf into various practices enhances overall relaxation and peace, offering a holistic approach to mental and emotional wellness. Number 5. Regulating blood sugar. Bay leaf potentially aids in blood sugar regulation, particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes by combating insulin resistance. Studies indicate that consuming 3 grams of bay leaf powder capsules daily led to significant reductions in glucose levels, blood sugar management, and lipid profile, promoting metabolic health effectively. Number 6. Respiratory support. Bay leaf offers respiratory relief alongside immune support, detoxification, and antiviral benefits. Inhaling bay leaf aroma through teas, vapor, or essential oils aids in opening airways, fostering well-being, and alleviating nasal congestion and coughing. The aroma possesses decongestant and expectorant properties, effectively thinning mucus and providing relief to respiratory distress. Bay laurel's therapeutic scent brings a sense of relief and comfort to individuals grappling with respiratory issues, enhancing overall respiratory health and promoting a greater sense of well-being. Incorporating bay leaf into aromatic practices offers a natural remedy for respiratory discomfort and supports respiratory function holistically. Number 7. Heart health. Bay leaf contributes to heart health through its antioxidants, reducing inflammation and atherosclerosis progression. Its caffeic acid improves cholesterol, lowers triglycerides, and increases HDL levels, benefiting cardiovascular function. Additionally, bay leaf contains coumarin with anticoagulant properties, further supporting heart health by preventing blood clot formation. These combined effects make bay leaf a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet regimen. It's advisable to avoid consuming bay leaf a few days before surgery due to its potential to lower blood pressure. While bay leaves offer cardiovascular protection, it's essential to understand the associated risks. Consuming too much bay leaf can lead to adverse effects, as seen in a case of fulminant hepatitis in a woman who consumed excessive amounts. Despite being a natural herb, bay leaf can interact with medications, posing risks for individuals on multiple medications or with specific health conditions or allergies. Consulting a doctor before regular consumption is crucial, especially for vulnerable populations such as pregnant women, nursing mothers, and young children under 2 years old. Bay leaves, with their tough and fibrous nature, pose a choking hazard when ingested in food. Therefore, caution must be exercised when incorporating them into recipes. It's best to avoid bay leaf supplements as their dosage may be excessive, potentially harming health, especially in children. Instead, incorporating bay leaf into cooking as a spice, with 1 to 3 grams per meal, ensures a safe and moderate intake. To prepare bay leaf tea for optimal benefit, use 4 bay leaves and 500 milliliters of water. Boil the water to release the flavors and nutrients of the bay leaves, then steep them for 10 to 15 minutes after removing from heat. The tea can be consumed warm to aid digestion or chilled with ice cubes. While it's preferable to avoid sweeteners, a touch of honey can be added if desired. When choosing between fresh and dried bay leaves, consider that fresh leaves contain higher concentrations of essential oils responsible for their characteristic aroma. However, dried bay leaves are more readily available and commonly used in studies. Both forms offer benefits, but moderation is key to avoid overconsumption. In conclusion, bay leaf consumption should be approached with moderation and awareness of potential risks. By incorporating bay leaf into cooking and preparing tea responsibly, individuals can enjoy its health benefits while minimizing adverse effects. Sharing this knowledge and encouraging safe usage can help others make informed decisions about integrating bay leaf into their diets. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.